So basically what we wanted to address in this breakout was interprofessional collaboration in itself actually has its own challenges, barriers, and everything you can think of. And this is we're talking about in the real face-to-face arena. Now with King COVID coming, we had to do this in the digital sense. So basically, in our workshop, we tried to understand, to create an awareness first of the tenets of interprofessional collaboration, and we had a real life example of an interprofessional education program which was forced to pivot into virtual, and in order to open the conversation, and we wanted to everybody in the workshop to experience this, we introduced a tool which we were able to introduce in 5 minutes, and so that the conversations can run. And so with this experience, we actually had some learnings from the breakouts, and it was really interesting to know that do we even address the readiness of our consumers or our target audience? A lot of us have Zoom feedback, fatigue, and we need to know, are they ready for this? And then another one was like, seems to be a great opportunity to actually going digital. We can actually zero in and focus on the advantages and the opportunities that are coming with it. For example, greater reach, greater more possibilities, but at the same time, there are also some acknowledgement of the limits that are going to be introduced. And lastly, there was also like a discussion on the very much central to all of these is the importance of having a clarity in communication. And for this interprofessional collaboration in the real sense or in the face-to-face arena, you're actually confronted with. And in the digital, you really have to acknowledge and you have to find some tools and some ways to actually cope with this new context. So I think basically the workshop was really for having everybody to go into the conversation, experience it, and also like think about the issues surrounding interprofessional collaboration in the digital context, whether it is actually having enabling your healthcare professionals to actually collaborate with the pragmatic use of digital technologies, or actually coming up or designing an education program to be able to deliver this. So the nuance was also discussed in this workshop, and at the same time, there were many points that were raised.